I just want to start off by saying, I know this isn't the craziest amount of money to be making per day, but for some people that are dead broke, this is the easiest way to make $100 literally today and every day with this easy side hustle. No, this is not clickbait. I do this every single day, multiple times a day, but $100 is the minimum you can make right now, today, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it. And just a quick disclaimer, this is ridiculously simple and extremely easy. If you cannot make $100 today with this method, you are just extremely lazy and you need to get it together. So I'm going to start with the basics before I go into the niche that I actually deal with. But basically, this is called flipping. You buy something for X, you sell it for X times 2, times 3, maybe 4. But in this instance, you're going to buy something for $100 and sell it for $200. And we're going to be doing this on Facebook Marketplace because there are hundreds of deals in your area every single day for any kind of product or item that you're looking for. Basically, you just find popular products that you know a lot of people look for or use, and you just look for deals and listings that are way cheaper than what they actually go for, or way cheaper than what all the other listings are going for, and you just sell it for more. And it's literally that easy. We all know this, but I'm gonna go into a specific niche that I actually work with, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I do. So these are some things that you can buy and sell. Electronics, so it's phones, video game consoles, laptops, computers. You can do furniture, bigger things like couches, tables, beds, collectibles like trading cards, figures, all that stuff. And then clothing, which includes like sneakers, designer wear, streetwear, all that stuff. So what I do is I buy and resell iPhones because people are always looking to sell their old phones. Say if they upgrade to a new one, they break theirs, or they just have another one laying around that they never got rid of. And essentially, I just capitalize off people not knowing how much their device is actually worth, because you got to think about how many people have a phone laying around that they want to get rid of, and they just think that $100, $200 is a good amount, so they just throw it up on Facebook Marketplace for that amount, hoping to get somewhere near that, not realizing that that phone probably goes for like $400 or $500. So you just have to keep looking on Facebook Marketplace until you get a bunch of those, which are very, very common. There's a lot of people that don't know the actual value of their device because they don't take the time to actually research it on Facebook or eBay or something. So like I said, you just repeat this multiple times a day, every day, weeks, months, and you will see thousands of dollars come in. But before we get to thousands, how can you make $100 today, like I promised? So you're gonna go to Facebook Marketplace, you're gonna search for iPhone in a 50-mile radius. It's a little extreme, but when you wanna get like the really good deals and you're doing this for full time, then you start to expand your radius and you're able to drive more. But I'd say 20 to 30 miles is a good start for you. And you just want to look at listings that are recently posted, and you're going to search for that same exact phone on eBay. This is only if you don't know the value of them. Once you get more comfortable and start to buy more phones and understand the values of phones, you don't have to do this step. But if you're starting out right now, you probably don't have the greatest idea of what a specific phone should go for. So you're just going to search for phones and look at them on eBay, recently sold. Look at average of like 5 to 10 phones, and then you start to get an idea of what like the average price is for the market value. And if the listing you found on Facebook is much cheaper than the average price they're selling for, you simply just buy it. You come back home, clean it up, take good pictures, resell it back on Facebook or on eBay, and then you make the profit. So this is just an example and proof of how easy it is, a quick flip that I did. So somebody posted this iPhone 12 for $150 on Facebook. I messaged them instantly. I drove 20 minutes to them and bought it. I listed the phone on eBay for $275 it sold for, and then after fees it was about like $250, so I profited $100. So 40 minutes of driving, 20 minutes there, 20 minutes back, 5 minutes to list it, another 5 minutes to pack it up and put it in my mailbox. So less than an hour's worth of work, and I made $100, and that is just one single flip. I do this several times a day, and then day after day, week after week, month after month, the hundreds turn into thousands, and then to 5 figures. And the next thing you know, you're making $100,000 a year doing this. But the goal of this video was to show you how you can make $100 in one day. And if you don't think it's extremely easy, then I don't know what to tell you, because this is the exact model I use, and I make $10,000 to $20,000 every single month. And if you actually watch through the whole video, then congrats, you actually want this shit and you want that $100. And I promise you this is the way to actually go do that. Not praying and hoping to God your drop shipping product goes viral or your TikTok video goes viral after months and months of working so hard to see success with that. You can literally go on Facebook right now, find a phone, drive there and grab it, get it, sell it, make $100 cash or whatever, eBay, and you just repeat it several times a day. It's so simple, guys. I don't see enough people doing this side hustle, honestly. I see way more people doing drop shipping, which yes, you can make money on, but it's like 5% of people that actually make those big numbers that you see. This is real, this is easy, it's simple, and I'm living proof, and I will show you guys all the proof in my other videos and future videos, just how easy it is. And I hope you guys actually take action. If there are any other videos or ideas or stuff you want me to talk about for this side hustle, just let me know in the comments. I will gladly answer any questions, make any videos. But like I said, guys, this is the easiest, most simple side hustle you can do. And the sky's the limit as long as you work hard for it, just like any side hustle. But you do have to grind for this. But that first $100 is literally at your fingertips. You just have to search and find a phone and buy it and sell it. It's as easy as that. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one.